Hello guys, welcome to POV driving. Today we're doing a night drive in the new Ford Mustang. We've done a complete review of this car in daylight. Today we're taking out the car for a night cruise. I'm gonna go and fill it up with a bit of fuel, so I thought you guys could join me. Yeah, let's go and I want to hear the V8. Let's put it into track mode, of course. We get more power, more throttle response, a louder exhaust, stiffer suspension, and we also have electric steering on this car, so it's more stiff, the steering. Out the window so we can hear some noise. After all, this car sounds amazing. Woo! So yeah, we also get some wheel spin when we shift into second gear. It's pretty badass. Have a bus. Let's overtake it. This water bottle flying around. Not anymore. Blink, little blink. Let's turn off traction control here. So we really can drive this car as it's supposed to be driven. Even though you turn off traction control, the car won't kill you. I can demonstrate here. We're in first gear, so I'm just gonna put my foot down. See, it didn't oversteer like completely. It spun a little bit, but like the limited slip differential really worked well in this car. So you can take a corner, you know, and exit the corner while not doing too much of a power slide. So you basically get good grip. So I can imagine that on track, you know, this car is pretty solid, pretty cool. After all, it's like 1800 kilograms, so it's quite heavy and big, you know, you can feel that also, but it feels very, very agile and sporty, you know. After all, you know, this is the most sold sports car in the world, which is a pretty good statement. What is this guy doing? Is he drunk? Brakes work. water bottle is killing me. Sorry guys. So yeah, here we have the police. Hello. Looking at me very much. It's probably the car. Probably. Now people are probably gonna think I'm mad, you know, because I got a GoPro on my head. But yeah, it's the daily life of POV driving. But I thought you guys could join me while I fill up this car. Let's see. So right now we're at Circle K, filling up. Best fuel in the world. Now I'm not gonna look at my code here. And of course we're gonna fill up with the miles plus. You get more power and more acceleration. That's what we need in the Ford Mustang. But yeah, this car drinks quite a lot of gas, as you can imagine. It looks pretty cool, especially with the quad exhausts, you know. It looks really badass. And the new design features, you know. You get these ventilated hoods here. And this is a ruby red color, so it's a very cool red color, I think. We have diffusers and stuff, Ricardo seats, and POV driving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Let's see here. And bam! And there we have 30 liters of gasolina. Get the receipt. Receipt is always good if you have a company. Then you get like a little bit of money back, I think. But gas here in Sweden is so expensive. It's ridiculous. So just filled up with like 500 crowns, and it's like half tank, a little bit more than half tank. It's quite a lot of money. And you know, this half tank of gas, you could probably waste it in like 1 hour if you put your foot down. So it's just very fuel lover. It drinks like an alcoholic if you put your foot down. Let's do that again. Holy shit. Oh yeah, baby! The best part of the Mustang. Jesus Christ. So much fun, you know. Jesus Christ. Just, you know, once you get going on the power slide, it's so like smooth and linear. It's like, it feels more at home doing a slide than, you know, driving normally. You know, it's so easy to control, and especially if you're a pro racing driver like myself. No, I'm kidding. I'm not a pro racing driver, but it's really easy to drift in this car. Of course, that has to do with the limited slip differential, as I mentioned before. If you don't know how a limited slip differential works, I can really explain it in a simple way. If one wheel starts spinning, then automatically the other wheel will spin the same way. So the tires spin at the same time, which results in you doing a cool ass drift, which all the ladies and men will love you for, especially if you're driving a Mustang. Let's go. Hard on the brakes. Rambo brakes really do a good job. The car is so good to drive. Let's drive here. I was gonna go home, but not today, people. V8 America. So good. You can go, and then I can accelerate. Go, go, go! Come on, come to Papa. So every moment you have to accelerate, take it. So much fun. Jesus Christ. And you know, let me remind you that this is quite a cheap car for the performance you get, you know. If you want this performance in like a BMW or an Audi, you know, you have to pay double the price. So this car starts at 397,000 crowns, which is nothing if you compare to other cars for the price. If you want like a competitor to this, you know, you have to buy like a BMW M4 or like a Audi S3 or something like that, you know. Or no, sorry, Audi S5. And you know, those cars are really expensive compared to the Mustang, and this thing will kick their ass in a straight line, I think. I recently drove the M4 competition package, and of course I think it's faster thanks to the turbos, bringing you more torque. But like once you get going in this car, like over 5,000 RPMs, it pulls really hard, and it's 20 more horsepower than the M4. Speed bump. Yeah, but on the low RPMs it feels quite sluggish and slow. Here, it's amazing. It really is. You don't have to shift also because the gears are really long. Jesus Christ. This car is mad. Okay, let's slow down. Jesus Christ. But yeah, as you can probably tell, I'm really enjoying this car, and he's giving me the heads up. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, this car is so much fun to drive. It's you just want to punch it everywhere, give it your best shot, and just floor it anywhere. And that really is fun, but also quite dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Of course, I'm a professional driver, as I said before. We drive new cars every week and try to test them as much as possible so you don't have to. And this car is excellent on the limit. It plays around with you. It's just so much fun. I can really recommend that if you like cars and you want to buy a new car, really check out the new 2018 Ford Mustang. And you know, all the weak points of the Ford Mustang has been improved, so I think it's never been this good and solid. The new entertainment system, the new digital display, you know, everything just works out really good if you compare it to the other Mustang. Here we have a Honda Civic sitting on my road. I wonder what they're doing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little night drive. I really enjoyed making this video, as you can probably imagine. It's a great car to drive, and especially with the manual gearbox, you know, it's really engaging, and it makes you feel really pro, especially when you're doing slow power slides in first gear. You know, it's like really rewarding. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. My name is Batman, as I am anonymous while driving these videos, because you never know if the police is watching. So I am Batman. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the 2018 Ford Mustang, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao ciao.